What is going on, everybody? Josh from Washaway here. I am at my house currently, and we are downstream soft washing this back of my garage. I'm going to show you real quick just how green it is. You can see pretty clearly how bad it is. So what I just did was I bought two new nozzles. I bought one that is for soap and one that is for rinse for two-story ability. So let me pause this and switch it. Okay, so I got my 5-gallon bucket set up here. Now we've got this doohickey, which is for downstream injector into the pressure washer, and we've got this pink nozzle, which is for soap, and then after we switch to this blue nozzle, which is for rinse for higher stuff. So I'm going to put that in my pocket. I'm going to switch this out. It's nice that it's a nice quick connect. Do it like that. So at 12:29, it's 12:31, I'm going to let sit it for 5 minutes. I sprayed this side with soap. So it's what I used was Total Outdoor Cleaner from Oxysolve. And it does kind of look like it's doing some work. So as you can see, everything's pretty wet. And we're gonna come back in about 5 minutes, and we're gonna see if it's done any cleaning. So hopefully it has, and if not, we'll try to spray a little bit more and see how many cleans it takes with the Total OxyClean or Oxysolve cleaner, Total Outdoor Cleaner from Oxysolve, and see if it actually does any removal. If not, we will move to a sodium hypochlorite, otherwise known as bleach, to get this done. So we'll come back in a few and see how it looks. Also, I just want to make a quick note. Yeah, I was describing these nozzles for two-story cleaning, and I know this is a one-story clean. So what I'm doing is I'm standing very far back because I was trying to gauge the distance and see just how far away I could be cleaning from, just to make sure I can get the right height for the jobs that I got lined up coming in. So I want to make sure we're doing everything proper. I don't want to be putting up a ladder and pressure washing from a ladder. The soft wash machine that I bought from North Star came defective, so I got to return that. The pump doesn't work, and it's just going to take too long for them to get a new one here, so unfortunately that's not what I'm going to be using. But yeah, so that's why I'm stepping back from this wall so I can at least kind of get a distance on how far the extra nozzles will allow me to shoot. So stay tuned. We'll be back in one moment. Alright, so pressure washer's running. We got the rinse tip on. I'm about 10 to 15 feet away from this. I'm going to try to record at the same time. Let's give this a shot. So it could also be a number of things. I might not have used enough strength of the OxyClean. We're going to test different rates. It does look like some of it is coming off. As you can see, actually, yeah. We are getting some of it gone. Might just have to concentrate a little more. It might also take a few washes. Hopefully not doing any damage to the siding. Look at all that I'm missing. So probably just didn't spray enough chemical on there for it to do the work. Also might not have let it sit as long. That could be a possibility. But it is coming off. So that's good news. That's a good sign. But we want to make sure we're getting a more even distribution of clean. So might have to do another spray down. I'm going to come back and do this with two hands so I can get a better proper clean. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like now. As you can see before, it was pretty bad. There are still some clear spots that we missed. I don't know if it's because the soap wasn't strong enough, the mix wasn't strong enough rather, or if it's just, this is all kind of new to me as far as soft washing goes. I'm a trial and error kind of guy, but it's convenient to be able to test stuff on my own property before trying it out on somebody else's. That's always the name of the game. You don't want to be doing something for the first time at a customer's house. That is a big no-no. But I definitely like how much better it looks now than when it did before. So probably one more quick soap, and then one more rinse off should get the rest of that off. But wow, it looks night and day better. I can't believe I tried the North Star soft wash system. Always buy local, people. Always buy local. I am in Michigan, and they are, I think Indiana is the closest northern tool store, if I remember correctly. But yeah, the pump came faulty. It wasn't shooting at all. I tested every single part of that system for any air leaks. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry about that. I tested everything that I could possibly test on the machine. I had 3 other people look at it. They couldn't figure it out, so I just got to send it back. They are going to send me a shipping label today or tomorrow, and I'm going to send that back. But the nice thing is that my pressure washer, and if you have one of these, a Ryobi gas pressure washer, it has a downstream function, which is simply comes with this, a little sediment filter on there, and then downstream injection right into your thing. And then if you get the blue and the pink tip, that's the blue one, this is the pink one. I bought them off Amazon, the whole pack of them. It came with a bunch of different other nozzles for like $13 instead of spending over $500 on a soft wash system that doesn't work and has to be returned. So now I got to figure out how to box up that giant thing and get rid of it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is all a learning experience. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go follow me. Go do whatever it takes. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we will be posting more videos, hopefully getting after it and figuring out how to run a business properly. But until then, stay tuned. Peace.